How do you delete your TikTok account? Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek, and in today's guide video I'll show you the way as to how you can delete your TikTok account. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. And without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now, deleting the TikTok account is very simple. All you have to do is just go ahead and then launch the TikTok application. Once you launch the TikTok app, you can see I'm logged into one of my accounts. If I come to my profile page over here, you can see that, let's say that this is the account that I want to delete. Now it's very easy. Just tap on the three lines which you see at the top right corner, which is the hamburger menu icon. Now over here, just go to the option that says settings and privacy in this gear icon. Once you go to settings and privacy, select the option called account, which is at the very top of the screen. As you tap on the account option, you will see all this type of various options. Now right at the bottom, you can see deactivate or delete account. Now personally, if you want to completely remove your data from TikTok, then deleting is the best option to go. However, if you're not really sure about whether you want to delete it, then you can just try to deactivate it, which means that your account is going to remain inactive. But if you're looking to delete, then just tap on the delete account permanently button over here. As you do that, it'll ask you for some of the questions as to why you are leaving TikTok, but you can also skip this process by tapping on the skip button on the top right corner. As soon as you do that, you can see you can go ahead and request to download your TikTok data, such as the people you're following and your chat history and so on. But you can just go ahead and turn on this toggle and tap on the continue button and follow the instructions accordingly. Lastly, just tap on the continue button over here. And this is how you can delete your TikTok account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.